Daily markup for Euro USD for Friday the 9th of Feb. This is the daily structure. We are bearish. We've had a break of structure here. So this is the weak swing low. We expect this to be taken out. Once the pullback is over, we'll know the pullback is over if we have a candle body close below this. So I'm just waiting for that to happen. Currently, if you look at all these candles, there doesn't seem to be too much of momentum in them. I think we're in an area of uncertainty. The market doesn't really know where it would like to head next, and that's where we are as far as the daily is concerned. But I'm more kind of biased towards looking at shorts and running this down as far as the daily goes. Moving on to the H4, we are again technically still bullish because we've not had a candle body close below this swing low, but given where we are and how these candles are forming, I don't see too much of momentum in them. There's not too much of volume also in these candles, but yeah, let's just wait and see how things really play out. But at the moment, I think we are in a zone of uncertainty. There doesn't seem to be too much happening, so I'm just going to wait and watch, sit on my hands. Moving on to the M15, we are, well, definitely bearish. We had a swing break of structure here, after which we expect a pullback. But again, this has been very sideways action, really. We're just kind of consolidating between this high over here and these lows over here. So, and currently we're right in the middle of nowhere. But if you really look at it, we've got these other zones over here and this huge imbalance here, which I personally think should get, filled. So one way to look at it would be that, okay, we can look at probably say that this is a break of structure, and now the M15 is bearish, and this is a fresh kind of a structure that we're looking at, and then price has pulled back and now we're ready to go down and target this week low. That's one way of looking at it. The other way is that, well, if you look at this entire swing where we've been making, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we've probably, I don't know, we have technically closed above this, and then we've had a pullback which has swept all this. So there would have been like a ton of liquidity below these lows, and we just kind of swept all of that and this low too, and we're now ready to kind of go up. So we've gone up, we've come into this supply, we've had a bit of a reaction, and we are now ready to take these swing highs out. So because again, there's going to be tons of liquidity above these relatively equal highs, so it could be that we go up and come down. So in such a scenario, what am I going to do? Well, sweet nothing. I'm just going to sit on my hands and wait and see, wait for more clearer price action to develop, and then act accordingly, because right now, everything seems to be just totally sideways. And if I just kind of look at the larger picture, it's all just sideways action, which is kind of boxed in this area. If you look at this, it's just kind of boxed in this area. Price doesn't seem to be going anywhere, so we are here, and you don't really want to be caught in the middle of this. So you could probably now look for, you can say that, well, we've come into a strong resistance over here because prices tried to go above this. It couldn't. It tried here, it tried here, it tried here, it tried 2-3 times here. It's again trying, but it's not been able to go. So maybe this is strong resistance and we can look at coming down, because in any case, everything is highly bearish. But my only concern, like I said, is, these other strong supplies and this huge imbalance over here. So I don't know. I'm a little skeptical about the whole thing, and I'm just going to wait and watch and wait for more clearer price action to develop. If we look at our sessions, this is Tokyo, Asia right now, and London is about 27 minutes away. So in case we sweep these lows and and then try to make some kind of a strong move upwards, I might just look for a quick 2-hour kind of a trade. Else, we'll look at targeting probably this week low. I don't know if it is a weak low or not, because right now it's just too consolidatory and too corrective and too sideways for me to do anything. So that's it, and may the markets be with you.